Hello there. In this video, we're going to go through another Rustlings coding exercise. So let's just jump into it. We've got exercise variables 4 from the 0-1 variables section of the exercises. The error is E0384 cannot assign twice to immutable variable x. And the compiler errors are telling us some information. So we've got the let x be assigned the value of 3, and it says first assignment to x. Okay, so it's not saying that that assignment is wrong, just that it is an assignment. And then later on, we've got x is being assigned to the value of 5. And it cannot change, cannot assign twice to an immutable variable. So consider making this variable binding mutable by using the mute keyword. So I think that right there, the compiler says it all. I mean, it's telling us, I think, all that we need to know about how to solve this problem, supposing that you know that the mute keyword makes it mutable. So let's look at the source code that they've given us. Well, we've got our main function, of course, and we're assigning that let x to the value, be bound to the value of 3. And then we're printing it, and then we're reassigning it, and it says don't change this line. So for the coding exercise, we won't. And then print line macro, and then number, and then printed format of x. So I think all we need to do is go let mute x. And it'll compile again, and there we go. So no problem. So in Rust, you can have, I'm sure we'll cover this later on, but you can have as many immutable references to a thing as you like, but they're immutable. You can't change them. And you can only have otherwise and exclusively one mutable reference to a given thing. Okay, so let's take a look at the hint, see what they would have hinted to us if we'd gotten stuck. Hint, in Rust, variable bindings are immutable by default. But here, we're trying to reassign a different value to x. There's a keyword we can use to make a variable binding mutable instead. Yeah, so it's really just hinting at the mute keyword. And perhaps we should take a quick look also at the solutions, 0-1 variables. Look at exercise number 4. So yeah, they do exactly what we did. Just add the mute keyword. There's not a lot else to do. Like if we just wanted to keep the code as similar as possible, but change one little thing, I think this is the most minimal change to make. So it says in Rust, variables are immutable by default. Adding the mute keyword after let makes the declared variable mutable. Great. So I mean, that's it. If you want to be able to change a variable, it has to be mutable. So how you do that in Rust is you apply or add the mute keyword. It's not really a word, but it is a keyword in the programming sense. And that will allow you to make further changes. Some of that will get more complicated as we get into exercises involving borrowing values and stuff like that, and references rather than the values and all kinds of stuff. But yeah, that's our first look at mutability in Rustlings. Enjoy the rest of your day.